A shocking revelation from the Social Security Administration's top actuary has just dropped. The GOP's latest budget plan is fast-tracking the collapse of the Social Security trust funds. But here's where it gets controversial. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has called the law a backdoor privatization of Social Security, sparking a fiery debate about who truly benefits from these changes. Is this a necessary fiscal adjustment or a dangerous gamble with seniors' futures? Let's break it down. The budget signed by President Trump last month, now under intense scrutiny, has been flagged by Chief Actuary Karen Glenn for accelerating the depletion of the Old Age and Survivors Insurance (OASI) Trust Fund. Her analysis, shared with Senator Ron Wyden, D.O., reveals that the law's tax provisions will push the trust fund's insolvency date from 2033 to 2032, just 9 months earlier. That might sound minor, but in financial terms, it's a seismic shift. Glenn also warned that the 75-year actuarial balance of the program will worsen by 0.16% of taxable payroll, a number that could ripple through the system for decades. And this is the part most people miss. The law's new $6,000 tax deduction for seniors, while marketed as a win for retirees, is actually a Trojan horse. By reducing taxable income, including Social Security benefits, it slashes the trust fund's revenue. Starting in 2025, the actuary estimates this will cost the fund billions in annual tax collections. The result? A faster drain on the very system designed to protect seniors in their golden years. Senator Wyden, the Senate Finance Committee's top Democrat, didn't hold back. Republicans didn't just hand corporations and the ultra-wealthy a tax bonanza. They also gutted healthcare, and now they're starving Social Security, he declared. His words echo a growing chorus of critics, including the liberal Center on Budget and Policy Priorities, CBPP, which argues the law depletes the trust funds faster and offers little to low and middle-income seniors. Meanwhile, the Conservative Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget estimates the tax cuts will cost the OASI fund $30 billion annually, hastening its collapse by a year. But here's the twist. The Trump-appointed Social Security Administration has celebrated the law as a historic tax relief for seniors, yet the data tells a different story. According to the Tax Policy Center, fewer than half of older adults will see any benefit from the new deduction. The real winners? Seniors earning $130,000 to $190,000 annually, 95% of whom will reap the rewards. Meanwhile, 99% of those making $24,000 or less will get nothing. Is this the fairness the administration promised? The debate isn't just about numbers, it's about values. Treasury Secretary Bessent initially framed the law as a way to protect Social Security, but his initial comments about privatizing the program have since been walked back. Yet the question lingers. When a policy benefits the wealthy at the expense of the vulnerable, is it truly in the public interest? And if the trust fund's insolvency is now a year closer, who will pay the price? Would love to hear your take. Is this a necessary trade-off, or are we sacrificing the future of Social Security for short-term gains? Share your thoughts below.